Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure you can receive codes at the registered phone or email, and note the last password you remember. Once done, open the Snapchat app or the recovery page on the same Wi-Fi you usually use to avoid suspicious activity blocks. You should also check device details, model and approximate location, because Snapchat may ask for this to confirm identity. Now tap Forgot Password and choose phone or email as your recovery method to request the verification code. You'll receive a code. Enter it immediately because codes often expire in a few minutes. If the code doesn't arrive, make sure messages aren't in spam or blocked by your carrier, then request a resend and wait a couple of minutes between attempts. Once verified, you'll be prompted to set a new password. Pick a strong, unique one. If the automated flow fails, use the in-app support or contact support form and include device model, approximate last login time, and the email or number linked to the account. After resetting your password, immediately enable two-factor authentication and update the recovery email and phone to prevent repeat problems. If Snapchat disabled or hacked your account, submit an appeal via support and attach any requested ID or proof of ownership. Include screenshots and dates to strengthen the case. If you still can't access recovery tools, clear the app cache, reinstall Snapchat, or try a different device or network. These steps resolve many verification or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.